Yo, what's up guys? As you can see, my TV is completely in Chinese right now and we can't understand anything. Sometimes this happens automatically after an update, or maybe you changed it by mistake. So without wasting time, let me show you how to change it back to English. First of all, grab your remote and go all the way up like this. Then move to the right side until you see this gear icon. Even if you can't read the language, we all know the gear icon means settings, so click on it. Now, once you open it, you'll see another menu. Here again, select the second gear icon option right here. After that, everything is in Chinese and there are no more icons. So this is the trick. I use one of these options is for language, and on this TV, it's the number 5 option. So just scroll down slowly and open the 5th option, and boom, now you can see the English option right here. Just select English, press OK, and confirm the pop-up by selecting yes. Now your Mi TV should be back in English again. That's it. Problem solved.